Open your phone right now. Within 30 seconds, you will find 5 different people telling you 5 contradictory things.
Cash is trash, so buy gold.
The next guy says, debt is good, so buy real estate.
The third guy says the stock market is a Ponzi scheme and you should buy a farm.
You are paralyzed. You have $500 or $1,000 left over at the end of the month, and you have no idea where to put it.
Do you pay off the student loan? Do you buy the dip? Do you save for a house?
Most people stay poor not because they don't make enough money, but because they are inefficient.
They are trying to build the roof of the house before they've poured the foundation.
They are buying speculative assets while drowning in 24% credit card debt.
They are running on a treadmill at full speed, but the belt is moving backwards.
Wealth isn't about picking the right stock. It's about geometry. It's about structure.
Today, we are going to walk through the financial order of operations.
This is a mathematically optimized flowchart for every single dollar that enters your life.
It doesn't matter if you make $40,000 a year or $400,000 a year. The steps are exactly the same. We are going to build a fortress.
That no recession, no job loss, and no market crash can destroy.
Put your phone away, get a notepad. We are fixing your financial life in the next 20 minutes.
Step 1. Before you invest a single penny in the stock market, you need a Murphy's Law fund.
Now, statistics show that nearly 60% of Americans cannot afford a $1,000 emergency. That means if your transmission blows or you trip and break a tooth,
you have to put it on a credit card. The moment you do that, you are losing. You are paying 25% interest to the bank because you didn't have liquidity.
Your first mission is simple. Save your highest insurance deductible. Usually, that's a $1 or $2. Put it in a high-yield savings account. Do not touch it.
This is not for a vacation. This is for when life punches you in the face. This money keeps you out of the debt trap.
Step 2 is the only time in your life you will find a literal free lunch. If your employer offers a 401 match, you must take it.
If they match 3% of your salary and you contribute 3%, you just made a 100% return on your money instantly.
There is no investor on earth, not Warren Buffett, not Ray Dalio, who can guarantee you a 100% return in one day.
If you don't take the match, you are effectively turning down a raise. Get the match, then stop. Do not put more in yet. We have bigger fires to fight.
Now we enter the war room. Step 3 is high-interest debt. I'm talking about credit cards, personal loans, anything above 7 or 8% interest.
Mathematically, paying off a credit card with a 22% interest rate is identical to investing in a stock that goes up 22% every...
That investment doesn't exist in the stock market, but it exists in your debt. You cannot out-invest bad debt.
I don't care if you think Bitcoin is going to the moon. If you are carrying a balance on your Visa, you are naked in a snowstorm.
Attack this debt with everything you have. Sell things. Pick up a second shift. Eat rice and beans. Kill the monster.
Once the credit cards are dead, you return to your savings. Step 1 was a bandage carry. Step 4 is the cure.
Why cash? Inflation hates cash, right?
Yes.
But this isn't an investment. This is insurance. This buys you the ability to say no.
If your boss becomes toxic, you can quit. If the economy collapses, you can sleep at night.
This fund prevents you from ever having to sell your investments at the bottom of a crash just to buy groceries.
Now, and only now, do we look at growing wealth. The government gives you gifts. You just have to know where to find them.
First, the Roth IRA. You put money in after taxes, it grows for 30 years, and when you pull it out at retirement, tax-free.
0. If that account grows to $1 million, the IRS gets nothing. Second, the HSA. If you have a high-deductible health plan, this is the stealth wealth vehicle. It's tax-deductible going in, grows tax-free, and comes out tax-free. It is the triple crown of investing.
Step 6 is going back to that 401k and maxing it out. Step 7 is a taxable brokerage account. This is the boring middle.
This is where you spend 15 years just buying low-cost index funds like the S&P 500 or total market funds.
It's not sexy. You won't have cool stories for parties. But while your friends are gambling on options and losing their shirts,
You are compounding at 8 to 10% a year, doubling your money every 7 years.
Once you are investing 25% of your income, you enter the final stages. You can pay off the low-interest debt chorus.
You can start investing in things like real estate or starting a business. You have graduated. The game is no longer... Here is the truth about money in America. The system is designed to make you a consumer, not an owner.
Every commercial, every credit card offer, every 0% down car loan is designed to keep you on steps 0, 1, and 2 forever.
They want you to look rich. I want you to be wealthy. Looking rich is a leased BMW and a maxed out credit card. Being wealthy is a paid off Honda and $1 million in a Vanguard account that nobody knows about. Follow the order. Ignore the noise. Build the fortress.
Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out.